Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting full link to factory settings on the Arona infotainment system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You may want to reset the full link settings if your phone is not connecting to CarPlay or full link isn't working correctly. Follow the steps to learn how to reset full link. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Then tap System. Scroll down the system settings and tap Factory Settings. Scroll down the factory settings and tap Full Link. Then tap Reset on the pop-up. Your full link will reset to the factory settings. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Arona tips and tricks.